Hello and welcome to the new episode of Thought on Education by College Dunia. Hi ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, myself Dr. Sonika Saxena. I am Vice Principal and Professor at Dr. Bilal Institute of Biotechnology, and from last 21 years I am in the education field and mentoring so many students.
Okay ma'am, that's great. Ma'am, can you please tell us how do you introduce practical and industry-oriented approaches towards subjects?
As an exclusive institute of biotechnology, we can say that the USP of Dr. Bilal Institute of Biotechnology is the on-hand practicals. We have well-equipped laboratories with latest technology, so we ensure the participation of each and every student so that they can learn the techniques and technologies of biotechnology department. Then, if we talk about the industrial perspective, so as we know that biotechnology is a multidisciplinary branch. It basically deals with health, education, then environment, agriculture and food. For medical and healthcare, we have our own industry, that is Dr. Bilal Clinical Laboratory Private Limited. And from last 33 years, we are serving the society in the area of healthcare. And students can work with this laboratory. They can cover the industry academia bridge. And for other industries, we have MOUs in collaboration. So we connect our students with these industries so that they can explore the tools and techniques of the respective departments.
Great ma'am. How do you prepare students to face challenges of modern organizations and global standards successfully?
We are working on various strategies to prepare our students for the modern organizations as well as for the global standards. So if we talk about, first of all, we are working on the curriculum enhancement. So apart from the University of Rajasthan syllabi, we also offer value-added courses to our students. Then we regularly organize the experts talk from the industries, from the global regulatory bodies. Second one is the placement. So we ensure hands-on practical to each and every student. Third is the research and innovation. So we encourage our students to participate in the research projects under the supervision of faculties, and we encourage our students to participate in national and international conference and present their findings. If you talk about the global exposure, then we have some MOUs, we have some joint research projects from international universities. So students can participate and can join such type of projects. We regularly organize international national workshops, seminars and conferences. And one thing is there, we also focus on the ethics and social responsibilities. So we have our ethical committee here at our institute, and we integrate that bioethics in the research particularly so that students can aware about the ethics in the research and they can implement it. We have social club which organize regular programs for the societal problems in the manner of Nukkad Natak, then visits to the orphanage, visit to old age home, donation drives. Then we also organize community-based programs and outreach programs to our students as we are working on projects from central government for the community and for the rural areas. And one initiative is also there that we have a Guru Shishya Parampara in our institute, and by this program we just intense the bonding between mentor and mentee. So by these strategies we prepare our students for the so that they can meet the demand of modern organization and excel in the global industries.
Great ma'am. Ma'am, what kind of placement and higher studies opportunities your institute provides for the students?
For placement and higher education, we have a dedicated career development cell here, and we are working on three verticals. First one is the placement cell, then higher education, and then third one is the entrepreneurship cell. For placement cell, they provide career counseling, then communication classes, then resume building and interview preparation workshop. We also host a campus recruitment drive at our institute for attracting the top employees in the industry. For those students, if they want to go for the higher education, then we offer guidance for the universities, applications of national and international review. We also connect our students to the alumni, because our alumni, those have cleared these exams and now they are doing their research and PhD programs in these universities. So we just connect our students with this alumni. For entrepreneurship cell, we just invite applications from our current students, and we also provide grant as an intramural grant and entrepreneurship grant to our students so that they can develop their idea into prototype. And we regularly organize entrepreneurship awareness camps in collaboration of government and MSMEs. And we also provide some grants from the government sector to these students. And the first thing is this, that we are also the host institute for the MSME DI central government. So this complete infrastructure provides an entrepreneurship awareness to the current students, and further they can go for their business models.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, it was great having a conversation with you about your college. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious time with College Dunia today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.